Find the HCF of 84 and 72. To find the HCF, first we should do the prime factorization of each number separately. That is 84, 72. Now, in this number last digit is 4, so we take 2 here. Now first number is 8. When do we get 8 in 2 table? 2 4s 8. Next number is 4. When do we get 4 in 2 table? 2 2s 4. Now in this number last digit is 2, which is even, so we take 2 here. Now first number is 4. When do we get 4 in 2 table? 2 2s 4. Next number is 2. When do we get 2 in 2 table? 2 1s 2. Now here we have 21. 21 is nothing but 3 7s. Now 7 is a prime number, so we take 7 and 1. Now here the last digit is 2, which is even, so we take 2 here. Now first number is 7. A number close to 7 in 2 table is 2 3 6. 7 minus 6 is 1, 1 carried forward, making it 12. When do we get 12 in 2 table? 2 6 12. Now in this number last digit is 6, which is even, so we take 2 here. Now first number is 3. A number close to 3 in 2 table is 2 1s 2. 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 carried forward, making it 16. When do we get 16 in 2 table? 2 8 16. Now here we got 18. 18 is nothing but 2 9s. Now 9 is 3 3s. So now 3 is a prime number, so we take 3 and 1. So now our HCF is the product of numbers that are present here and also here. So now we should find the numbers that are present in these two places. I repeat, we should find the numbers that are present in these two places. So let us find, starting with the number 2. Do we have 2 here? Yes. So you cut 2 and write here. Now next number is 2. Do we have 2 here? Yes. So you cut 2 and write here. Next number is 3. Do we have 3 here? Yes. So you cut 3 and write here. Next number is 7. Do we have 7 here? No. No more numbers are left. So our HCF is 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12. So 12 is our HCF. Am I clear?